we are celebrating International Women's Day, which is on the 8th of March. And the theme for International Women's Day is to accelerate action. So as the White Women Advisory Board, as it is tradition, we actually gather with industry, heavyweights and giants, to reflect on what this means for us and the work that we're still yet to do for the audacious ambition that we have to ensure that we actually get to gender equality and equity within our lifetime.
This is an opportunity for us to also move past just talking about empowerment of women, opportunities for women, growth for women. It's now really a time to start talking about actionable things that we can start to measure, seeing how we're moving each other and pushing each other into the face of opportunity. And I think now is the time.
Accelerate action for me, it literally means that we need to take ownership and accountability for the things that we want and actually get to see it come to fruition. Whatever the action is, whichever the industry you're at, all of us have a sense of purpose, and it means ensuring that we get to do the things that we commit ourselves to do.
It's easy to get up when the days are easy, but on the really, really hard days, I know why I'm doing it. And I understand that I'm not doing it for a boss, for an organization, but I'm doing it for a greater good. And I want to leave significance behind, and not from an ego perspective, but I want to contribute. I feel like we've got enough programs, we've got enough events like these, and this is wonderful to gather them. I think we need to do just a little bit more in the actual corporate space in making sure women actually get to the levels where they need to be and where they can be and where they have the skills to be.
I think what keeps me up late at night is I feel like I'm not doing enough. I could be doing a whole lot more, but tomorrow is another day, and I will take further strides to make a difference. Because when women are at the seat, when women are in executive positions, when women are leading companies, we know that they are more profitable and that they are looking towards making sure that they are catering for the future generations.
Especially in the cybersecurity space, this particular field is still very male dominated. So if we add that diversity, we'll be able to be more innovative. There are new threats each and every day, so we need that diversity to make sure that we combat the cyber threat landscape that evolves actually on a daily basis.
We need to be more intentional around the programs that we pursue, that we sponsor, in order to make sure that we are taking action. And then we can say, I think, in a couple of years that we've actually made a difference once we see the statistics change.